Hi, welcome back our L3 Toy channel. Today we will test the tracking modes on the Autel Evo 2. So let's see how the performance. So now we try the tracking mode on the Autel Evo 2. To select the tracking mode, just go to at the top bar, the menu flight, tap in, and now let me try the tripod track. Okay, so we draw the target. Yes, now it is in the target now.
Start recording.
Okay. Hello, 繼續. So now we are in the tripod track mode on the Autel Evo 2. Really nice view and really nice weather today. So this is how the tripod track working. So now we try the parallel track.
Start recording.
And we draw the target. Same. So now it's on target now. This is the parallel track on the Autel Evo 2. Very nice. So now we try the dynamic track, the last tracking mode. Tap on the
Stop
dynamic
recording.
track. Okay, so let's draw the target. So we are in target now. Start recording.
Start recording.
Okay, let's go. It's amazing dynamic track on the Autel Evo 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Goodbye.
Through the back door.